Hey guys, Dr. Butter here, physical therapist, and I want to go over another stretch with you all. And this is going to be one that a lot of people are going to be tight, and even if you're not tight, it's going to feel really, really good to stretch this big guy out, and that's your latissimus dorsi. So this muscle is actually the best to be stretched with two people, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm also going to show you how you can stretch it on your own. But it feels really good, and you can really isolate this muscle and get a nice strong stretch if you know what you're doing and if you have two people. So let me show you guys the first one that you guys can do. I'm going to do it in actually probably not the most appropriate body mechanics for myself, so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. So you'd want to stand on the same side as the person that you're stretching, but I'm going to stand on the other side so I can show you what we're doing. So latissimus dorsi is a big muscle. It's on your back, and it attaches and inserts a few different places. I'm not going to get into all that right now. But the best way you guys can stretch it is if you bring the arm back, and right here you guys are going to see that scapulothoracic joint, the anterior side, pop out a little bit. It kind of wings. So you guys can kind of put your thumb on that, get a nice pressure going down, and then pull the arm. Don't crank it back, just have a nice stretch right there. And that's going to be stretching the latissimus dorsi muscle. Now if you don't do this, it just comes all the way back and you're not going to get a stretch. That's why you want to lock it in right there and stretch it back. And then she's going to feel that nice pull, that nice stretch. And again, you guys want to hold that. If you're under the age of 40, you want to be able to do a cumulative time of 60 seconds at least. If you're over the age of 40, then you guys want to take some breaks, but do at least 4 minutes total to have that nice stretch. And make sure you guys do it on both sides. Again, nice little tissue lock, anterior surface of the scapulothoracic joint, have it come back. And you guys can notice it just hangs there, right? You can give some overpressure. If this arm's not there, it just falls straight back down to the table and you're not stretching that muscle. So a way that you can do this on your own would be what's considered and called the preacher stretch. That way you guys are going to get down here. Guys, you're going to put your elbows. You're going to put your elbows up and you're going to stretch down nice and low. And that would be how you guys can stretch the latissimus dorsi on your own. Hope that helps. Sorry I got shaky towards the end, but if you guys have any questions or comments, please comment below. Please subscribe and watch some other good videos as well. Have a good one. Bye.